Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss how to change active voice into passive voice. So here are some rules which we have to follow while we changing active voice into passive voice. Number 1. Identify the subject, verb and object in the sentence. Here is the short form of subject S, verb V and object O. Number 2. Change the object into subject. Number 3. Put the suitable helping verb according to the tense. Number 4. Change the verb into past participle or into third form of verb. Number 5. Add the preposition by before the object. Number 6. Change the subject into object. Number 7. Change of pronouns. Here are some pronouns which we have to change. Number 1. I change into me, we change into us, he change into him, she change into her, they change into them, and you remain as it is. Here is an example of active change into passive. I bake a cake. In this, first of all, you have to identify what is subject, what is verb and what is object. In this sentence, I is subject because I is doing something. What is I doing? Bake. I is baking something, so bake is verb and action. A cake, what is baking? Object is cake. So we have to change the subject into object and object into subject. In this sentence, cake is object and it becomes a subject. A cake, according to tense, we use is, am, are. So here we use is as helping verb and baked is third form of word. And before object we use by. I is pronoun and it changed into me, so me is now as object in the sentence. So sentence is a cake is baked by me, so it is the passive form of this tense. Now I will tell you what is the structure of simple present tense while we changing active voice into passive voice. In active voice we have subject plus verb plus object. While we changing active into passive voice, subject becomes object, object become subject. So here is in the first we put subject, then helping verb according to the tense or subject, third form of verb, preposition by, after that object which is subject become object. So in this form we will change simple present tense or present indefinite tense into passive voice. Now I am going to solve an exercise of active voice which helps you to understand how we change active voice into passive voice. This is an exercise of simple present. Now I will tell you how to change active sentences into passive voice. It is an exercise of simple present tense. Here I written a few sentences which we are going to change into passive voice. Number 1. Ali plays hockey. In this sentence we have to identify what is subject, what is verb and what is object. So Ali is doing something, so Ali is subject. What action he performs? Plays. Plays is verb and object is hockey. So we have to change subject into object. We use third form of verb, object into subject, use of preposition by, change of pronoun, helping verb according to the tense. This is simple present tense for you. So for use is, am, are according to the subject. Now we change this sentence into passive voice. Object becomes subject, hockey. Helping verb according to the subject. Subject is a singular noun, so we use is. Hockey is third form of verb. play, played, played. Use of preposition by and subject change into object. This is name, so it is written as it is. Like this we change hockey is played by Ali. In the second sentence, I write a letter. I is subject, write is verb, a letter is object. So we have to change this sentence into passive voice. Object become subject. Letter, helping verb according to the tense. Letter is singular noun, so we use is. Letter is third form of write, written. Use of preposition by, and after that we have to change subject into object. So here we our subject is I. I is a pronoun, so we change it into me. I is changed into me. Letter is written by me. Hope so it is clear. Now we come to the third sentence. She cooks food. She is subject, cooks is verb, and food is object. Object become subject. Food, use of helping verb according to the subject now. Food is third form of cook, cooked. Use of preposition by, use of preposition she, then she change into her. She change into her. So in this way passive voice is food is cooked by her. In the next sentence, they is subject, sing is verb, song is object. In this way we have to change this sentence into passive voice. A song, helping verb according to the tense or subject is. A song is third form of verb, sung. Use of preposition by, and they is pronoun, it is changed into them. A song is sung by them. In this way we change it into passive voice. A song is sung by them. Last one is we buy a new car. We is subject, buy is verb, a new car is object. A new car, it becomes subject. A new car is according to the subject or tense. Helping verb. A new car is by, third form of by, bought. Bought by, use of preposition, and we become us because it is pronoun. In this way you have to change these tenses. This is an activity of simple present tense. Hope so it is clear and helpful to you how to change these tenses into passive voice. Now I am going to present exercise of simple present tense which we solved before few minutes. Thank you so much for watching video. If you like it, subscribe, like and share. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Take